Hey guys, Beast Mode in here. Today we're going to do another video, and I've been wondering, because I play baseball, let's see what's inside a baseball. This is a baseball that I use in baseball, like every time I play catch. So now we're going to cut open it, because I never knew what's inside, and like softball, I don't know what's inside either. So I'm just going to cut with an X-Acto knife, just cut through it. So let's go. Ooh. You hear that? Ooh. Got a little cut. Okay, no cut. Oh. You can almost see the inside of it. Oh, I can see the inside now. So now I cut it, like, I stopped because it was really hard and I didn't want to show you all. It took like maybe 10 minutes, so yeah. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's just like a yarn ball. It's just all yarn? Yeah, it's just like all yarn. Here's the rubber. So this was inside a yarn ball. Is there anything inside of it? Looks like something inside of it. Okay, I'll get you guys back when I see what's inside it. So I just it's like this hard, really hard, that looks like it's like brown. That's really hard. And it smells like rubber. Like it's all over. Oh, look at that. What? I think it's just like that's the only farthest I could go because it's really hard to go in there with a X-Acto knife. So yeah, I think that is. Oh look, it's just like yarn or wool. I don't know what it is. Like I think it's wool or yarn. That's right there. It's like, oh, I got 2 baseballs. Okay, that's what's inside a baseball. Hope you guys like it. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And please leave a comment if this was cool. So, thank you. Bye!